Here I have some fake OPPO device and let me show you how to enter the factory mode on the following smartphone. First of all, let me use the power key to turn off the smartphone. Now let's choose power off and now confirm it by tapping OK. Now we need to wait until our device completely turns off. And after that, let's use the following combination of keys. Power key plus volume down. You should release all the keys as soon as the welcome logo pops up. And now here we are in the factory mode. Here we can do some tests, for example some auto tests, some item tests, some debug tests, or gain some test report. We can also clear the eMMC right there, check out the version right there, and right there we can reboot the system. If you don't know Chinese, I recommend you to not touch anything right there, unless you know the Chinese language. Okay, let's reboot the system and wait until our device turns on. Okay, here we have our lock screen, so everything works just fine. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.